In the world of modern cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, pureeing baby food, or crafting the perfect soup, this Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is designed to meet all your culinary needs with ease. This versatile 5-in-1 stick blender promises not just power, but also precision and convenience, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. In this in-depth review, we'll explore the features that make this blender stand out, from its powerful motor to its user-friendly design. We'll delve into why it's a must-have for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike, and how it can transform your cooking experience. Imagine effortlessly creating silky smooth soups, perfectly blended smoothies, and flawless emulsions, all with one powerful tool. The Immersion Blender handheld hand blender brings professional-grade blending right to your fingertips. Keep reading to discover how this blender can turn your kitchen into a gourmet haven. The design of the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is as practical as it is stylish. With its sleek and modern appearance, this blender not only looks good but also feels good in your hand. The ergonomic grip is designed for comfort, ensuring that even during prolonged use, your hand won't feel strained or fatigued. This is particularly beneficial for those who frequently prepare large meals or engage in batch cooking. The non-slip grip provides excellent control, which is crucial when blending hot ingredients or when precise blending is required. The blender's body is made from durable materials that ensure longevity, while the food-grade stainless steel blades are both sharp and robust, capable of handling even the toughest ingredients with ease. One of the standout features of this blender is the unique food-grade nylon blade guard. This guard is designed to minimize suction, which not only prevents the blender from sticking to the bottom of your pots but also protects your cookware from scratches. This thoughtful design element ensures that your pots and pans remain in pristine condition, even after extensive use. At the heart of the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is its powerful 1100-watt full copper motor. This motor is significantly stronger than those found in many other hand blenders, giving you the ability to blend, chop, and puree with exceptional speed and efficiency. Whether you're dealing with tough vegetables, frozen fruits, or even ice, this blender delivers smooth and consistent results every time. The blender features a variable speed trigger that allows for intuitive control. Unlike blenders with preset speed settings, this trigger design lets you adjust the speed in real time, providing greater precision and reducing the risk of splattering. Whether you need a gentle blend for delicate ingredients or full power for more demanding tasks, the variable speed trigger gives you the flexibility to achieve the perfect consistency. This blender is also designed with versatility in mind. It comes with multiple attachments, including a chopper, whisk, and frother, making it suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks. From whipping up cream to chopping nuts or frothing milk for your morning coffee, this blender can handle it all. The attachments are easy to swap out with a single click, making the transition between tasks seamless and efficient. One of the key selling points of the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is its ease of use. The variable speed trigger design is intuitive, allowing even beginners to achieve professional-level results. The blender is lightweight and well-balanced, making it easy to maneuver, even when dealing with large quantities of food. The detachable design of the blending stick and attachments makes cleaning a breeze. After use, simply detach the parts and rinse them under warm water, or place them in the dishwasher for even easier cleanup. The blender's compact size also means it can be easily stored in a drawer or cabinet, saving valuable counter space. Safety is a top priority in the design of the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender. The blender is equipped with advanced safety features that ensure you can use it with confidence, even when dealing with hot ingredients. The reinforced food-grade blades are designed to be both exceptionally sharp and durable, capable of effortlessly blending large or tough ingredients without compromising safety. The blender also features a magnetic auto-release power cord, prevents accidental unplugging, adding an extra layer of safety during use. The anti-slip feet ensure stability when the blender is in use, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the blender and all its attachments are 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your food remains safe and free from harmful chemicals. Cleaning kitchen appliances can often be a hassle, but the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is designed to make this process as simple as possible. The detachable blending stick and attachments can be easily cleaned by hand or in the dishwasher, reducing the time and effort required for cleanup. The blender's compact design also means that it takes up minimal space in your kitchen, making storage easy. The durable construction of the blender and its attachments ensures that it will withstand regular use and remain in excellent condition for years to come. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful motor. The 1100-watt motor provides exceptional blending power, capable of handling even tough ingredients. Versatile attachments includes a chopper, whisk, and frother, making it suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Intuitive controls. The variable speed trigger allows for precise control over the blending process. Easy to clean. Detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Safe and durable. Features advanced safety technology, including a non-slip grip and BPA-free materials. Cons: learning curve. The variable speed trigger may require some practice to master for those new to immersion blenders. Limited capacity. As a handheld blender, it may not be suitable for blending very large quantities at once. Final verdict: a must-have for every kitchen. The Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that deserves a place in every kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this blender offers the perfect combination of power, precision, and convenience. Its powerful motor and versatile attachments make it capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from blending soups and smoothies to chopping vegetables and whipping cream. The blender's intuitive controls, ergonomic design, and easy-to-clean parts make it a joy to use, while its advanced safety features ensure that you can use it with confidence. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that can help you achieve professional-level results with minimal effort, the Immersion Blender handheld hand blender is an excellent choice. Whether you're preparing meals for yourself or your family, this blender will help you create delicious and nutritious dishes with ease. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your cooking experience. This blender is an investment that will pay off in delicious results for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.